माझे नाव अरुणा आनंद वानखेडे. मी तुम्हाला डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या जीवनचरित्रावर इंग्रजी निबंध वाचून दाखवणार आहे. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a great leader and social reformer. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Moog, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Sakpal and mother's name was Bhima Bai. He was very intelligent student and studied in India and abroad. He faced many problems due to caste discrimination. He believed in education and equal right for all. He wrote many books for social awareness. He also promote the importance of democracy and individual right. Dear Ambedkar, he known as the father of the Indian Constitution, as the chairman of the drafting committee of the India Constitution. He played a vital role in shaping the national. He passed away on 6th December 1956, but his legacy constitution to impress millions of people in India and abroad the world. आमच्या चॅनलचे नाव आहे टीचिंग विथ अर्णव. चॅनल आवडल्यास लाईक करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.